walking along the river, North Idaho. Go get a tree that dropped across the road. And this is what it's like to have a border collie. Come on. Come on. Can I please walk through here? Oh, thank you. I don't want that stick. I'm not interested. You can have it. Please. Let me progress down the road. Thank you. Man, they are high energy. We've already walked this twice. Can't wear her out. Oh, come on, dog. Come on, what is it? What is it? Goose? What is it? Moosies? The goose moosies? What is it? What is it? Grouse? Moosies? Ducks? Birdies? Some sort of birdies? Yep. Beavers. It's beavers. For sure. Beaver. See the hair? Standing up. She thinks that's a beaver now. Whoa, what'd you find? Point it out. Good girl. Good girl. I said you're good. I said you're good. Oh, jeez. Here we go again. Come on. Peaceful walk. Peaceful walk. Get a stick. Get a stick. Get a stick. Right here. This stick right there. This stick. Yeah. Good girl. Oh, shut her up. Nice, huh? Good girl. Huh? Come on, let's go save the truck. Let's go save the truck. Where's your stick? Stick. Good. Good stick. Good stick. It's a little bit windy. Creaking trees. Tempered rainforest, North Idaho. It is dense and dark. Look at that woodpecker's been working. That tree right there. This is one of my favorite spots on our road. Hey, something to drink. So pretty. Finally going downhill. April, North Idaho. More water. Over's running good. Here we go. That's what stopped us. Brought the little DeWalt 20 volt. Should handle it. Good girl. Exercise North Idaho style. That is why I love those saws. One battery, a little bit of bar and chain oil. No problem with this rotten cedar. Even gave us a couple pieces for the stove tonight. Road is cleared. Get the groceries home. Good girl. Where's your stick? Get your stick. Get your stick. Which one? Get the stick. Now, really? Now you refuse? Ay, ay, ay. Now she's got the stick. This is a V8 stick shift sport track, by the way. Ford never made them. But I do. It's my daily driver. 5-liter V8 M50DR2 4406 manual transfer case. Handles whatever this road throws at it.